So the parking brake is now removed, and here you see the clip where the parking brake cable is attached, and here it's screwed in with 2 bolts. You have to remove that also. As you can see, I have loosened the cable inside. So this part is now out from the holder. So when I take the brake, see now it's not dragging the cable anymore. And on the back side you have a clamp that holds it, so you have to push those together to get the cable out. Take up the zip on the brake handle, screw off counterclockwise on the gearbox and on this one, low gear, and then you can remove all the system off. Then you will get better space to work. So remove this one, and then we can open it to work behind. I should have done that at first. Now I have much easier access to all the parts that need to be removed.